my channel. So as I explained earlier, there are two interchanges that are planned on the ORR to ease the traffic in west part of Hyderabad. One is located in Kokapet Neopolis layout near, and one more is at Narsingi Junction. So if you see, this is the movie towers. The Kokapet layout has really shaped out and it's happening. If you see the trumpet here, the trumpet design I have already shown earlier. So this the work is happening here. This is a live picture which is captured at Neopolis. So majorly the announcement to the work progress is very short. So if you see the Kokapet interchange, which is just 3 kilometers, situated around 3 kilometers from financial district, which will provide the best connectivity to Patancheru, Gachibowli and other parts of the Kollur and etc. So I think this will be ready in next this year June. So for the trumpet shaped interchange has five structures are being constructed for entry and exit from the ORR. So this is about the trumpet which is located near financial district. So the reason for trumpet is like they're anticipating 9 million square feet office space and a multi-purpose space in 530 acres of Neopolis Kokapet layout, resulting into huge traffic movement. So this trumpet will ease the flow of traffic. Though we have an exit in financial district, this trumpet will not stop the vehicle moving forward. So this is a good development activity which is happening in financial district. And one more basically ramp is being planned in Narsingi, which is announced a few months back, which work have already started. So this is just to the peak hours. One has to come back from Kajagoda signal to Narsingi. The service roads are becomes congested, and now they made it is one way traffic. So to avoid this one, they have made around 768 meters of exit ramp and 681 meters of entry ramp in Narsingi, which also will be ready in next month, February. So if you see this right, the development activities which are happening in the west part of Hyderabad is very fast when you compare to the other parts of the city. So let me just show you where exactly the Narsingi flyover is coming. I'll show you in the at the maps. If you see here, this is the one second. You see here, this is the Neopolis trumpet which is getting formed here. This is the financial district exit. You see the Neopolis work activity have started already. This road is temporarily closed now. Everybody has to pass through Vattinagalapalli and reach Shankarpalli if somebody is going. So this road is closed, and if you see the road formation work have started, blasting have started, and all the roads formation is going on in Neopolis layout, which should be ready by next year. So this is a trumpet which is being planned here, and one more is exit ramp at Narsingi. So this is River Edge Villas. You see here there is a ramp which is being planned here. This is a flyover. These are the ramps here. So at the moment there is no exit which is being planned in the current ORR. This is going to become a new exit here. So just sharing the ongoing activities of West Hyderabad. So thank you guys.